Hi, good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Last week we have created this Wi-Fi plant and we want to create Wi-Fi plant same as zero plant example. And then we'll see how we will load data into this T, how we will fill this P table and T table we'll see today. Okay. And I will open another screen /o RSA1. Yeah, this is existed project. This is existed in Fabric, which is started with the zero plan, started with the zero. So I just checking what are the attributes are available for this. See, many attributes are there. First, we don't need all these things. I will take only zero country. I will take this one, logistic, company code. I will take company code. Yeah, like this, I will create. So we have taken these objects, right? I'll remove over here. Okay, see here what it is saying. When I click on this edit button, it is saying action cancel. Use BW modeling tool info object maintenance instead. So instead you are doing changes here. You need to go to the modeling. Go to the Eclipse and do the changes. HANA modeling, we have to do all the changes. HANA modeling or Eclipse. First we need to log in. When you click on this corner, okay, when you expand this one, then it will automatically ask you password in the return. That means this is logging into the BW on HANA system. See, once you log in like this, you can see. In the real time, we'll create only on development system, not quality and production. So here you need to always think, okay, you need to be in the BW modeling, okay? Here. Now we are into ABAP modeling, so we need to click on this. Otherwise, the required options it will not show you. Okay. Yeah, I'm searching for Wi-Fi plant. Yeah, now I just select this one and click OK, or else double click. Yeah, now. So we'll go for attributes tab. Now I want to remove this one. Yeah, select this one and there is a option remove. Yeah, we can remove also. Now I want to add it. Yeah, I will add. What I will add? So whatever we have in the existed object, that we will add. Okay. Here we'll go. There is a option zero com code. Uh, Based on the existing object, I am going to create it. Okay. Then go here. Control V. We copied from their system and here just adding it. Okay. Is it designed as like no? Here you can see this is navigation attribute, right? In the same way, I want to keep it. See, this is just a display attribute. I'm clicking this one. It is making as a navigation attribute. Okay. And now, which object? Country. I want to keep as a country. Okay. Now click add, paste it. A country. I'm taking as a country. So is it country is like no display attribute. See. Oh, this is also navigation attribute. So I'm clicking as a navigation attribute. Okay. How about this logistic system? This is display attribute. Okay. You can see display attribute. I'm copying this and I'm adding same. Based on the existing objects, taking reference and adding it. Okay. These two are navigation attribute. This is display attribute. I'm just activating it. Okay. Still, do we have anything here? Compounding, nothing will be there in the real time. Okay. We'll see. Okay. This hierarchy and text and all we'll see later. Okay, just activate it. Okay, I just removed hide checkbox and I just activating it. Okay, once activation is completed, you can see this gray color will go. Yeah, see like this. You can see. Now, if you reflect, if you go and refresh the system, and then it will automatically will change. How do you refresh here? Select this one and refresh entire tree. Yeah, now double click. Yeah, now if you go to attributes, whatever we added, so it is not refreshed. So then we need to click on RSA1. Sometimes it will not refresh. Okay. Now double click. No, no. We need to look for Wi-Fi plant. Yeah, double click. Now we can see. So hierarchy is removed, right? Now we can see. So sometimes, we need to refresh. Okay. Clear. Whatever we are doing changes, it will be reflected, but sometimes we need to refresh. Okay, in the real time, just to do one time refresh, it will come automatically. So this is just a dummy system, so sometimes it will not. Okay, now you can see the structure. Go to P table, go to P table. So in the P table, what is this? This is info object, our info object, plant number. And how about this one? Company code and country and the logistics we added. Correct na? We added. These are SAP systems only. What we discussed while we are creating info object. So we have a technical info object, automatically it will add. These are technical info objects. These two. Okay. And our info object name is YY plant only, but it will add slash BAC. Slash BAC means BA means BA content, C means like no customized, C means customized, slash. Like this it will start. Okay, info object names. You can see info object name this one, YY plant. But the data element is slash BA OI. Slash BAC yes. Yes means SID table. If you come here and slash BAC T, T means T table. Here M view, P plus Q, M view. This is P table. This is X table. Okay. So now we load the data this one. Okay. And what I will do, I'll go here and I will see the data. Okay. Same data I will download and I will. Okay. Now you can go here. Now you can see the data, right? These options very important in the real time. Yeah. So I want only plant. I want only plant and then country. This is country, bro. So I want this country and then I want country, then company code. Where is the company code? Company code. Logical system. We need logical system as well, right? This one. Okay, I will keep same sequence. Plant is first and then company code little above and then country above, above, above. Okay, I will keep like this. Now I will download. Not required all. Okay, I will keep it company code as well. Where is company code? Home code. Little down. We'll put the filters. Ah. So what I'm putting filter not equal to 0. I want to see only which we have values. Okay, all are blank only. All are blank only. Fine, okay. So like this would be the values. So in the same way, I'm taking these plans in the Excel file. So I'm taking this files. And now I can see this is example. You also open window R, click on window R in our system, type Excel, click OK. Okay, in Excel, what you do, expand this one, close this one. You can type here. Okay, now we need to add this as a new. Okay, here you can keep select plan, and then plant, and then country, then this one, what is this? Country company code. Code. You can give any name. Okay, not only this one, you can give company code also. It like this also you can. This one logical system. So for our understanding, we given. Okay. So company code, what I will give? I will give 1000. Okay, I will give 2000. Okay, I will give 3000. So like this, I will give. Okay. And let me recopy. So plant should be always four-digit number. Just copy. Okay. So like this, I'm taking logical system number. From which system you are loading. So I will keep blank only. Okay, now we need to save. So where do you save? Browse, click on browse. Okay, select your desktop and always select desktop. Here, while you are saving, you need to select this option, comma delimited. Okay, CSV, comma delimited. And this name, plant MD. I'm giving plant MD, master data. Save it. Okay, I'm saved. Okay, I saved it, this plant. Close this one. So once I close, where I can see that plant MD, you can see in the, where, this one. This is the file. Okay, this is the file. Open it. Yeah, this is the file. Okay, now I will close this one. Now we will close this one. Once you close, now double click here. Already open. I am going to BW system. I am going to build. See here, there is a one expand button, right? Expand this one. So now you can see attributes and text. Now I am trying to load attributes. Attributes means what? Company code, logical system. These are all attributes only. Whatever country, these are all attributes. Not text we are loading. So we'll load after this text load as well. Okay. First we'll load attributes. Attributes means in the plant we have added country, company code, logical system. Those are attributes. We need to load data for plant as well as attributes as well. So now, before going to create, this is very important. We need to go to source system. So are you loading data from source system or like are you loading data from flat file? These are all source systems. Even flat file also source system. We are loading through flat file. Flat file means Excel only. So we need to select one option. Okay. Now I'm selecting this option. Okay. Right click and first check is it working or not. Yeah. Now right click and only check. Do not do anything in the real time also. In the real time also don't do anything. Right click source system, check it. Once it is working fine, okay. Source system connection is fine, double click. Okay. Now I'm going to create right click and creating data source for our plant. Okay. Now what I'm giving here, ZDS underscore, I'm giving plant. Okay. Clear? I'm selecting, see here, I can see data source, data types, different would be there. Text, attributes, hierarchy, segments, and all. I'm selecting master data attributes. Clear? So nothing I given, just a given name. Okay, just a given name. So if you don't remember what you do, open one notepad, and keep it. Okay, z underscore DSS. Because first time you are loading, right? So you will forget it. Master data attributes. Okay, I will remember, but you will not remember. Okay, you can note down anywhere as well. So here, see, expand this one. See here, this option. What is this option? Show or hide navigator. You can click this one. Okay, now we need to maintain some description, medium, long. Okay, plant MD. I'm giving plant MD. This one, plant master data. Okay, here I'm giving plant. So I'm giving plant master attributes like this. Okay. Now here very important here we are loading data from local workstation. See multiple options are there. If you want to load Excel sheet also you can select this option. Okay, we'll see that later. So now as it is keep it like and now select our file. While you are selecting file that plan that file should be in the close. So this is CSV file, right? I'm selecting. See, this is only file, desktop only, right? So now one row. Why I'm giving header rows to be ignored? This one is file name. This is file name. File name I given. Header rows to be ignored means whatever we have file. Okay, if you go to this file, in the file level, first row should be ignored. What is there first row? Just a header, sir. Okay, I'm going to ignore this one. I don't need this one. Okay, I don't need first row. I want only this data. Clear? Huh? That is the way. So once you load, you will come to know why we are doing all these options. Okay, now click here. This in first row to be ignored. Header rows to be ignored. So now we will not do any changes. Here select it. CSV file. Now here, come on, semicolon. Go to proposal, load example data. Hello. So now this only, right? We having only this only. So last file, whatever we have, right? Logical system, it's not showing because of that is blank. Okay. Logical system is coming, but data is not available. Clear? Huh? And see, if I take any value, example, if I take any value, then it will show you in the report level. Okay. Here, what I will do, S4 CLNT 100. Okay. Just I'm saving it like this. No, in real time, I aren't like this. Okay. Now, if you go here, again, I will do load example data. Okay. Again, it will read data from the, see here. Now it is coming. Okay. Now what I will do, I will do char. I will do char. Okay. Length fine. Okay. And let me load again. We will not do any changes here. I will do here changes. Char. Okay. Length. Char. Country is two always. Okay. This company code is, I will use char only. I will use char only. Now, this also same. 4-digit number. Okay. Now, I will activate it. See, just we upload the file and just checking the fields. Okay, I just change only char and activating the data set. See here, you can see here errors, zero errors. Okay, this is warnings. We have to ignore always warnings and greens. Green symbol and warnings we need to ignore. Do not worry. Okay, now it is data source is activated. If you go preview and now you can see the data. If you want, you can see. This is only right, you are loading the data. Now, what step you did? Data source has been completed. Okay, here go to RSA1 T code, RSA1 T code, under the modeling tab, modeling tab, click on, click on the source system, and click on the flat file system, flat file, flat file source system. Then it will take you to the data source system automatically. Data source, data source automatically. Create, create master data attributes data source, attribute data source. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what we have created here, what is our data source name? This one. Clear. Okay, nothing will be there. Just a dot would be there. For them, we have. Okay. Now, after creating this, right click this one, right click this one, create info package. Now here I am giving just full, I am giving it. Okay. Now you can go to extraction if you want to put any filters. Okay. That also we can put, but we having very less data, so I'm not keeping any filters. So just click on start. Once you click on start, data was requested. Now data is floating into BW system. Now this is the first layer storing the data into BW. So here there is the option is decoding PSA maintenance. Okay, you can see this is only right you loaded. But these three fields are technical fields, bro. Did you remember? So technical info objects will create automatically. So these three automatically came. This means it is showing one packet and this is record number. Total 26 records are there. Okay, this is only right we loaded. So like this we load the data, plant, country and company code and logical system. Like this we load it. Fine. So this is the persistent staging area, PSA, PSA persistent staging area. So this is the first place we are storing the data into the BW on first staging layer. Okay. Clear. Okay, once you click on data, it will store data. It will store the data in PSA table. Clear this point. This is just only your knowledge. Okay, when we activate the data source, automatically PSA table will generate. So when we click on info package, automatically data will store into the PSA table level. That's what we saw. Okay, now go back. Now, okay, now I'm going to info package. Now here, see here, this is only right YY plant. This is attributes. Right click on the attributes. Right click on the attributes. Create transformation. See here, automatically it is selected attributes. Because I right click on attributes and automatically selected. Okay, now what is our source, bro? Data source. What is the data source name? That is the way I have taken. Okay, data source name. Because we'll forget. Okay. Now I have taken this. What is the source system name, bro? This is the source system name. Okay. Okay. Now clear this option. From where to where we are loading the data. This table only we are loading, right? This is the target. See here. Info object YY plant. This is info object only, right? YY plant. This is the target. What is the source? Just now we create a right data source. That is only data source. From here to here, we are mapping the fields. Data we are storing PSA level. When I generate data store, okay, PSA automatically create a right. When we execute the info package, data stored in the PSA, right? So when you create this one from PSA to info object, mapping will be generating. See here, country. Now plant. Now company code. See, however you are mapping, data will flow like this. If we don't map it, data will not flow. Okay. So later we'll discuss this transformation. Like this, we need to map. If we don't map, data will not come. Okay. Go back. So this is activated. Damarkam means transformation. Remember this option. Right click again. What I'm doing it? Create DTP. Create data. Same only. Just click on OK. That's it. Okay, now I'm selecting this full. Okay, just activate it. See here, you are extracting from where? PSA only. We are extracting data from PSA to your info object. So here, what is this? Data transfer process. Data transfer process. From where you are getting the data? Data is there, right? From where data is available? PSA. What is this? Data source means what? Data source means what? Where exactly storing now? PSA level data is available. Correct now? PSA level data is there. And go to update table. What is the target update? Wi-Fi planned. So we are loading data from where? See, this is the data source, ZDSPS. And this is the target. So we are loading data from here, this data source to this plant. So indirectly data source means what? PSA. Data is available in the PSA. Okay, we are moving data from PSA to Wi-Fi plant. Remember this option. So the name itself you will come to know. This Bonham symbol what? Arrow mark symbol what? What it is saying? Data whatever we have data here, that is moving to Wi-Fi plant. Okay, that is called like no DTP, data transfer process. We are transferring the data from this place to this place. Clear? See here, data extraction. From where we are extracting? From PSA to this info object we are loading. So when click on this info execute, click this one. Execute means we are executing the data from PSA to info object. Clear? Now see expand this one. So here see this data source level, how many records are there? Extraction data source. How many records are there? 26. Okay. Same filters. There is no filter. So that is the why 26 records or 26 records moving. There is no filters. And then the next one. From where to where loading? ZDS plant. This is data source. It is moving to YY plant 26. Finally updating. 26 records are updated to the info object. Clear. And you can go to header. So when you loaded, your name will come here. So my user ID is Hana. So it is showing Hana. So in the real time, your name will come. So you executed the data and you are saying now I'm not executed. So they will track it, okay? In the table level, it is there. How many records are updated? 26 records are inserted. From where to where? This is source. This is target. Source and target. See, this is the source. This is the target. We loaded. Okay. Now, if you want to see the data, Go back. Go back. What is our info object, bro? This one, right? YY plant. Double click. So we loaded what? Attribute